All right, cool, guys. Here we go. And actually, Jason, that's in the break. Let's see. Let's redeem himself. Thursday special contenders box number 10, 11:39 Eastern Standard Time. We've been going for about an hour and 40 minutes here, straight off breaking. Let's go ahead and get something big. Right? Meow. Here we go. Only 2 boxes left. This is box number 10. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight. Still got over 30 of you guys viewing here. We've been over 30 for the past 2 hours, so good deal. Thanks, Popeye. Appreciate that, bud. I've been known to crack a couple boxes in my day. Thanks, Luck. Okay, get out of here, Michael Kendricks. Where's your buddy Nick Foles? I know. We're due a Foles. We are. We are. Jacksonville just lost. Here's a Sean Spence. Did we break all the way from halftime to the end of the game? Yeah, Foles threw 7 touchdowns. The big thing about Foles right now is that he's thrown 19 touchdown passes without an interception. So that's like the big one. And Peyton Manning has 20. That's the record. So I mean, it kind of validates Foles in a sense. I mean, you gotta be decent to be able to throw, you know, because he's not just heaving it up. That means he's throwing with accuracy. Tim Benford would know all about that. Here's Tim Benford going to the Cowboys. Auto. Who's got those Cowboys? Where they at? Jason S. Wait out there. Well, I don't know about the best QB in the draft. Foles? I will stop this break immediately. So Schaub right back in it? Is Schaub just throwing picks? Short. Oh, the wrong Colts. Vicky Ballard. Going to D. Ashley. There you go, buddy. 23 out of 99. If you want to get rid of that, I will be more than happy to take it off your hands. Work a trade, buddy, or something like that. Another short print. Who did this? Actually, if he didn't fumble, we'd be okay. David Wilson. Short print, 74 out of 99. So nice little, that's a dancing monkey. There you go. By the third Bobby Rainey. So last pack in box number 10. Oh my goodness. But hey, we did get 2 short prints, which would be the David Wilson, which actually the rookie ticket David Wilson's good, and then the Vic Ballard as well. So back on that short print train. All right.